Hi guys, I'm Shannon from Winstanley's Pramworld and welcome to our YouTube channel. So we're going to start things off with a demonstration and review of the Joolz Aer Plus. Now this is a cabin approved stroller, perfect for holidays. It weighs just 6 kg and it's suitable from birth all the way up to 22 kilograms. Let's get into the video and we'll show you all of the features and benefits. So I'm going to start with what is arguably the most impressive feature on the Aer Plus, and that is the fold. 1 hand or 1 second, and you've got this really handy carry strap so you can keep both hands free. It's cabin approved so you can take it on the plane with you, keep it all the way when you go on holiday, and the unfold is just as easy. Again, 1 hand or 1 second. To activate the fold, you've just got 2 buttons. So you push in the button on the underside and then the one on the handle, and just like that. Same to unlock. Moving on now to some of the features on the stroller. You've got a UPF 50 plus sun canopy which provides great coverage and it's extendable. So you've got the zip here. Just giving even more coverage for little one and revealing this breathable mesh panel which improves airflow. Perfect for summer months or if you're taking this stroller on holiday with you. Moving on to the back of the seat unit, you've got a really handy storage pocket here which is perfect for your phone, keys and other essentials. The basket down here is a generous size and can hold up to 5 kilograms. You've also got 3 recline positions, so using the zip, you've got the middle position, and then with the clasp at the back here, you have a full lie flat position. Again, you've got that mesh panel which improves airflow and breathability, and the full lie flat recline means that the Aer Plus is suitable from birth, and it's great beyond that because it means that toddlers can nap comfortably. Moving on now to the seat unit and fabrics. As you can see, the Joolz Aer Plus has a really generous seat unit. It's not only wide, but it's also tall, so you know that you'll get the maximum usage out of it. The harness is really easy to adjust with 1 hand, and the fabrics are super soft and padded, so they're really comfortable for your little one. Here we've got the lovely taupe colour, but there are various different colours available and the fabrics are all sustainable, made from recycled plastic water bottles. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and if you're interested in the Joolz Aer Plus, you can visit us in store at Stoke-on-Trent or Wigan, or online at pramworld.co.uk.